guys, so I'm just looking at the questions here for chapter 4, and I was going through the test your understanding questions and posting the solutions, and this one kind of made me think you probably would have some troubles with it. It's not something that the chapter gets into explicitly, so I wanted to kind of go over it myself with you. So it's number 6 in Test Your Understanding on page 128. Suppose that the price of 4 different products all increases by 20%. Given the elasticity coefficients shown below, what is the percentage change in the quantity of each product? So again, not an obvious solution, not something that the book has really gone over in detail. We have all the information and everything we need there to solve it, but it's just presented in a different way. So I kind of wanted just to go over and show you how to solve that. Oops, that's not what I was going for. Right here. So I just posted this. I only did A and B just so you can see. So this formula here is pretty sure given to you. It's in this section here. The elasticity coefficient, the formula is here, percent change in quantity over percent change in price. So that's what I have over here, percent change in I have D, percent change in quantity demanded over percent change in price. So we are told, let's go into the question again. So we are told the price increases by 20%. So all 4 of these products, there's a price increase of 20%. And we're given the elasticity coefficient. So in A, it's 4. So if you go ahead and fill that into the equation, normally we're trying to work out the elasticity coefficient and we're given information for this side. Here, we're given the elasticity coefficient as 4. And we're told that the percent change in the price, it increased by 20%, so that's the 20% here. And now we need to solve for the percent change in the quantity demanded. So once we have this, it's just basic math. What we do here to isolate this top portion is it's 4 times the 20%, which is here, equals, then this isolates this component that we're looking for. And then obviously the 4 times 20% is 80%, so the percent change in the quantity demanded is 80%. And the same thing for the next one. It's the same 20% price increase, but we know the elasticity coefficient is 0.5. So instead of 4 here, we have 0.5. We still have the 20%. So you multiply the 0.5 times the 20%, and that isolates our percent change in quantity demanded over here. And when you work out the math, it's 10%. So part C and D would be the same, but again, I think it's one of the first times we've been given the elasticity coefficient and asked to work out the percent change in either the quantity demanded or the price.